Renovating your house in 2023? Beware of this Feng Shui taboo. Over the next minute, I'm going to unveil the key Feng Shui taboo you must avoid during your home renovation in 2023. You might be surprised to learn what common renovation mistake can disrupt your energy balance. Just for tuning in, if you comment 2024 below this video, I will send you a link to my free exclusive e-guide, the 10 I Ching Feng Shui tips for 2024, which is next year. This guide will help you navigate the year more successfully and maintain a harmonious home. For those who are new here, my name is Yo Kun Leong, a life coach, I Ching trainer, and author of several ebooks. I've had the privilege of helping numerous clients better their lives using the ancient wisdom of I Ching, and now I want to share that wisdom with you. As mentioned, you will learn the common feng shui taboo homeowners often overlook during their renovation process and how to avoid them. In the event there are plans to move house or renovate your current house, here is a quick tip for you with regards to renovation works. As renovation works usually involve some forms of hacking, dismantling, and drilling, which are activities that carry destructive energies, it is prudent to undertake such activities with due respect to the governing annual energies. Do not commence the renovation works from the east sector of the entire house. Start the renovation works from other sectors first and then progress to all other areas and lastly coming back to the east sector. We definitely do not want to incur the wrath of the Tai Sui, the governing annual energies. I repeat, do not commence the renovation works from the east sector of the entire house. Start the renovation works from other sectors first and then progress to other areas and lastly coming back to the east sector. By doing this, we are making sure that we do not accidentally incur the wrath of the Tai Sui, which is the governing annual energies. Now, to wrap this up, remember, if you comment 2024 below, I'll send you my exclusive guide, the 10 I Ching Feng Shui tips for 2024, absolutely free. Harness the power of I Ching to ensure a prosperous and harmonious year ahead. Thanks for watching and happy renovating. See you around.